Well, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see a C++ program to print date and time. So the C standard library does not define any data types to return date and time. We inherit it from a C library, which is known as ctime or time.c. It has four related types: time underscore t. It is basically a return type, and two modes: return type clock underscore t and size underscore t. And the fourth one is a structure, which is tm. These four are capable of printing system time and date as integer value. And well, in the structure tm, we have the following members. First one is for second, which returns the second, and it ranges from 0 to 61. These are ranges from 0 to 61 because in some system we have some leap seconds, so in order to accommodate them, we range it from 0 to 61. Then we have the minutes, tm underscore minute, then the hours, and these are basically the same as usual: 0 to 59, 60 seconds, 24 hours, and then the days of the month, 1 to 31, and then months of the year, 0 to 11, then years since 1900, and the weekdays: Sunday, Monday, 0 to 6 started, and then the days of the year, 0 to 365, and then another data type, which is DST. It's mean that in some countries during the daytime they move their clock one hour in order to get a better time at the evening time at the sunset. So if the daytime is in effect, then its value will be greater than 1, otherwise its value will be 0. So after this we have these functions. First function is time, and it has a parameter and a return type times underscore t, as we have seen earlier. So basically it's returns the current calendar time of the system in seconds elapsed since January 1970. So if the system has no time, it will return a 0. It will take an argument. Sometime we pass null. Otherwise, if it is not null, then it's count the number of the seconds passed since January 1, 1970, and return those. But it returns an integer value. Then we use another function, which is ctime, and it has a return type of characteristic. So it basically takes as an argument the value which was stored the uh, in the variable by the time function, which has the parameter of time t. So it converts that value into an integer. So this will print the date and time in following order. First it will print the weekday, then it will print the month, then hours, minutes, seconds, and the year. Then we have another function as well, which is local time. It also uses argument of t time. T time basically takes an argument, pointer argument. So this pointer, first we convert it into a strings, then we can also pass it to local time variable. It will then print the value. Now we will move on to our program. There is a ready-made program to print system date and time. Well, first of all, I have included the library file of the ctime. Then I have that return type function used time. It has an argument 0. It returns the number of seconds elapsed since January 1, 1970, and store it in the variable now. The now variable has now been passed to ctime function because it has the value stored as integer, but this will convert it into a character string. So basically we will then print the time, and let me run file you again. So you can see on your screen the current date and time is Friday, January 19, 003, basically it's midnight. So then it's wait for user to enter a character. So that was